How's it, people? So today I'm going to tell you about jumbo quails. I incubated them, got 5 little eggs and placed them in the incubator for 18 days, and they popped out they're about 2 months old now. So yeah, let's see what they're all about. So like I said, I got 5 of them, jumbo quails, good for eggs, also meat, you can eat them. This is just a little rabbit cage I used, and I put some grass and newspaper down with a light as well for winter time. I feed them some grower mash, so it's fine mash. So it's easy for them to digest. Also when they're babies, it's pretty easy for them. So yeah, this is the life of quails. This little light here, it's just a small little light just to keep them warm, but I only put it on at night time. So yeah, and that's just connected to a plug that I switch on and off inside. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. It's a new channel. This is my first video, so doing a lot of different things, showing a lot of different things as well. Going to be quails, birds, DIY, you name it, we'll do it. So yeah, comment and let me know what you want to see, and info, I can try and answer your questions.